Hey guys, this is Juan here at Escritch Honda, and we'll have a treat for you. Behind me is the all-new 2023 Honda HR-V, built from the ground up. It's right behind me. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. And without further ado, there's a lot of brand new technology, brand new to this chassis, brand new to the HR-V. First of all, let's go ahead and concentrate on that front end. It looks like a car. The Honda HR-V has always been on the Civic chassis, but this looks really nice. You guys, I will hopefully be making a lot of other videos comparing the outgoing generation, the 2022. Basically, Honda had the previous generation HR-V here in the United States from 2016 all the way to 2022. This is our very first 2023, as it says on the windshield, Honda HR-V. This is the EX-L. So again, you have the daytime running light right here. Notice how the hood kind of scoops down a little bit and it goes here. It reminds me of a car. It reminds me of the Honda Civic, maybe even the Miata a little bit. And then Honda first for the HR-V here in the United States, it has front parking sensors and also in the rear. So we'll get to that in just a second. Let's go ahead and talk about the sides here. So these are the new wheel design. We have the wheel locks on it, but this is a 17-inch wheel. It keeps the same kind of like dark accent over the wheel wells for the front and the back. And like I was saying, check this, the rear end. It looks really nice. Let me open up the wide camera view here. So you got parking sensors on the rear as well. And then this is a throwback to the early 2000 Hondas. It's got the all-wheel drive sign right there. I think that's pretty nice. Gone away with is the badge. They used to have a little badge on the back that said all-wheel drive. Now it's underneath the rear wiper. So for anybody else that's wondering about what is it called, the window sticker, here it is. Pause the video, take a closer look. I wish we had better weather conditions to showcase not only the color but also the window sticker a little bit better. This is already a vehicle that's pre-sold. Now let's get to the Honda first. For the inside, check out this new design for the seats. It's really nice. Power driver seat now. People have been begging Honda for a power driver seat, so +1 right there. It does keep the sunroof. Leather, again, this is the EX-L all-wheel drive 2022 Honda HR-V. Let's start with the doors over here. So this is really nice, grippy door handle right here. Leather surfaces. You guys have played with the interior so much now. Everything's like soft, really soft, touchy material. This down here is a little bit of the hard plastic, but over this surface area, the doors, the seats, everything. This is a much roomier, much more comfortable vehicle. We already have the brand new design, all-season floor mats for this new generation HR-V. And then check out this interior. It reminds me so much of Honda's new design for the interior, kind of like simple and stylish at the same time. So check out the vents right here, just like the Civic. They run all the way through. How nice is that? Looks really nice, you guys. There's plenty of cup holders now, so there's 2 on each door for your standard, I guess 12 to maybe 16 ounce bottles. 2 more there. Gone away with is the simplistic kind of awkward looking thing that we had here, that you were only able to stick two cups. There's 2 more over here, 2 there, and then those over there, and that's just the front. Now let's talk about this section right here. This is completely different. Again, and you also have some new buttons. So just like the Civic, you have this little drive mode selector right here. So you can do normal, economy, or even snow mode now on the brand new HR-V. That's totally new. And then you have this heel assist button, which I already had turned on. So the heel descent, not to be confused with the brake hold. So that's something else. I wish I would be able to take this away for to show you guys, but like I said, this vehicle is already sold, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Again, so Honda first, we saw that on the outside, the parking sensors and everything like that. Heel assist And now we even talk about there's a drive mode, but check this out. You have wireless phone charger now. That's super nice, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everybody wants a piece of the action. We got onlookers stopping by. So again, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with a wireless phone charger. And guess what else? Auto dimming rearview mirror, which is super nice over here. You can turn it on with that little button. It's hard to see. And also, before I forget, EX-L, back in the day, we already had heated seats with EX or above trim levels, but now you even have dual climate control. So just like the Civic and the Accord, the HR-V now has joined the party with dual climate control for his and hers, which is really welcoming news. USB charger right there, a second USB charger port over here, and for that third person that wants something all the way to the back, there's even one there. So speaking of the back, let's go ahead and check out those rear seats. Over here, you guys, this is really nice and roomy as well. The Honda did some changes with the rear. This is a much more sophisticated, grown-up HR-V than what we had previously. Check that view. Again, the doors, everything on this vehicle has been completely redesigned. It is so nice in here. So let's go ahead and take a step back. We have a little bit of storage space there. The lights on the ceiling, they're really nice, LED, just like the Honda Civic. I'm kind of curious to play with these seats. I wonder if we still have looks like we lost one, guys. No more magic seats. Previously you were able to raise them up from this part and also fold them forward, so you can still fold them forward. This is a much better mechanism right here. We were driving it earlier. I couldn't sit all the way up to get you guys a better view, but let me go ahead and move this forward now, just a tiny bit. I needed to get a better view of the whole dash there. So now check that out. Now you can fold the seats with this. This is a little more practical and easier to use mechanism than what we had on the outgoing generation. And let's check out the trunk space. So folding is a breeze. Back over here, let me see if we have, yep, there is the spare jack, the jack and the tools, everything over here. Nothing has changed there. HR-V logo on the floor mat. More LED lights over here, dual LED lights, and a 12 volt. That's nice. No power tailgate just yet. No power tailgate. I can confirm that, at least not with the EX-L. But check out this new HR-V, you guys. I knew we were gonna get it, I just didn't know when, and I was so surprised whenever it showed up today on such a rainy day. The vehicle is running. You got front parking sensors, a little bit of a side parking sensor right there. You guys, I'm gonna try to make more videos of this new generation HR-V. Anybody that has a question or a comment, leave that in the comment section down below. I'll try to reach you as soon as I can. This customer scheduled to pick up his new HR-V tomorrow. So anything that I can get done between today and tomorrow for delivery day, I'll be more than glad to do so. Give me a call or shoot me a text if you guys need anything. My cell phone number is 405-365-9973. Have a blessed rest of your day. Thank you so much.